Hi Passionate K1, we meet again. My name is Miss Mawan Susanti. Today we're going to explore and experience about thunder and lightning. Let's hear the story about thunder and lightning, shall we? Flash, Crash, Rumble, and Roll by Franklyn M. Branley. Flash, crash, rumble, and roll. The day is quiet, the air is still and hot. Leaves do not move, flowers droop. Even the birds are still and quiet. There are big white clouds in the sky. Whoa. The clouds grow bigger and taller, and they get darker and darker. Look at those black thunderclouds, people say. We're going to have a thunderstorm. Warm air near the earth is rising into the clouds. The air goes up fast, like this. Inside the clouds, it keeps moving upward. It may go all the way to the top and spill over. So from here and going here and going to the clouds. The clouds keep growing. After a while, the clouds may be 10 miles high. The rising air carries water, but it's not liquid. It is a gas called water vapor. When water vapor cools, it becomes liquid water. That's what happens in the clouds to make them grow. Water vapor cools and changes into small drops of water and also into small crystal of ice. So the water going up become water vapor, and then going up to the clouds become water drops. And if it go higher, it makes ice crystal. The rising air carries water, but it's not liquid. It is a gas called water vapor. When water vapor cools, it becomes liquid water. That's what happens in the clouds to make them grow. Water vapor cools and changes into small drops of water and also into small crystal of ice. So the water going up become water vapor, and then going up to the clouds become water drops. And if it go higher, it makes ice crystal. Inside the cloud carries the water and ice up and up. The air gets colder. When it gets very cold, the air falls. So the air inside some parts of the cloud is moving up very fast, and in other parts it is moving down. So in the colder air and very cold going here, getting warm, and very cold again, warming over here and getting cold again. This is what's inside the cloud. Planes stay out of these dark thunderclouds. The rushing air could turn up a plane upside down. It could even rip off the wings. Also, there's electricity in the clouds. Each water droplet and ice crystal carries a tiny bit of electricity. There are billions and billions of droplets and crystals. So the amount of electricity gets greater and greater. So this is inside the cloud, and in the water droplets there is electricity. That's why the thunderclouds, it's dangerous. When the amount is very great, the electricity jumps from the top of the cloud to the very bottom. It makes a giant spark, a flash of lightning. Meanwhile, the rain starts. First only a drop or two. Then the wind blows and the rain falls faster and harder. Water races down the street. There's more lightning. It may go from one cloud to another. Oh, look at that. Thunder comes after the lightning. The lightning is very hot. It hits the air. The hot air expands very fast. It makes sound waves all along the streak of lightning. The sound waves reach you at different times. When the first one reaches your ears, there may be a loud crash. As more and more sound waves reach you, the thunder rumbles and rolls. Roll, roll, rumble, rumble, crash. Make sound waves when you break a balloon. Blow one up and pop it. The air in the balloon expanded rapidly through the break in the skin. You made a tiny bit of thunder. There's only a little air in the balloon, so there's not much noise. Lightning moves lots more air, billions of times more, so there's lots of sound. Sound waves travel slowly, much more slowly than the light from lightning. Light travels so fast, it can go to the moon in less than 2 seconds. It would take 2 weeks for sound to go that far. Because light goes so fast, you see lightning the moment it flashes. But it may take several seconds for the thunder to reach you. It takes 5 seconds for the sound to travel 1 mile. If you see a flash and you don't hear thunder at all, the storm maybe is 15 miles or more away. Quack. The next time you see lightning, try this. Count the seconds until you hear the thunder. If 5 seconds go by, the storm is 1 mile away. If 10 seconds pass, the storm is 2 miles away. If only a second passes, the storm is very close. Flash. Ready? Count. 1 Mississippi, 2 Mississippi, 3 Mississippi, 4 Mississippi, 5 Mississippi. Crash! The thunder will be very loud. It may be scary, but thunder won't hurt you. Lightning is different. Lightning may start fires in houses or barns. It may start forest fires. Lightning may knock over trees and telephone poles. It may kill cows and horses in a field. It may injure people or kill them. You won't be hurt by lightning if you know what to do. If you are swimming, get out of the water. If you are outside, go inside. If you are inside when a storm is close, stay away from the telephone and the TV. Their wires could carry lightning into the house. Stay away from the stove and other big metal things. Stay away from sinks, the bathtub, and the shower. Their pipes could also carry lightning into the house. If you are caught outdoors, keep away from a metal fence or metal pipes. They could carry electricity. Don't stand under a tree that is alone in a field. Lightning usually strikes the highest thing. It might strike the tree. So, if you're in a big field, don't be the highest thing around. Crouch down with your knees on the ground and bend your head forward like this. If you are in a car, stay there. A car is safe because if lightning hits it, the electricity goes through the car and not through you. Watch the storm from a safe place. Before it begins, watch the clouds. You'll see them get bigger and bigger, taller and taller, darker and darker. You'll see flashes of lightning. If the storm is far away, you'll hear thunder rumble and roll. If it's close by, the thunder will crackle and crash. People used to think that lightning was the fiery fingers of an angry god. They thought the god made thunder when he scolded and roared. The people feared storms as they feared their gods. But there's no reason for us to fear storms. We know what makes thunder and lightning, and we know how to keep safe. The story teach me how to do step by step to put first thing first. What should I do first when the storm is coming or any time bad things happens? There is one tool, one thing that can help us to do the put first thing first, to set our priority, to do what is the most important things first. We call it flowchart. I will show you how to explore with our flowchart. Let's do it. Okay, let's practice how to make our own flow chart. First, you write down like this on a piece of paper, your piece of paper. And after that, you draw a circle. And then a line. And then a box. And then a line. And then a box. And then a line. And a circle. So when there's storm coming, we have to go inside the house. Inside the house. And then we should hide on the safe place. Find a safe place. And after that, we're going to be safe. For flow chart, remember to put your name on the top of your paper. And then you can use any kind of shape that you like. And if you don't want to use pencil, you can draw the shape with color pencil so it will be colorful. You can decorate your flow chart. And then if you want to add more boxes, also okay. And if you want to change the writing, also okay. Have fun. Show it to me once you're done. Bye-bye.